Hello guys, welcome to episode number 9. In this video, we will see how we create a record triggered flow, and our scenario is whenever a account's annual revenue is getting updated. We have three conditions. Whenever the account revenue is less than 1000, so we need to update case priorities to low, and whenever the revenue is in between 1000 to 2000, the case priority will be medium, and whenever the revenue go beyond 2000, the case priority will be high. So uh, as you all know, the account is the parent object and case is the child object, and we will write our record triggered flow on account. So whenever the revenue is getting changed, we need to find all the child cases based on the particular account, and we need to update the case priority based on the revenue value. So let's start building this flow. Let's go to flow, new flow, record triggered flow, click next, auto layout, and here is the condition. So I only need to configure this flow whenever my record is getting updated. And I need to run the flow after the record is saved because I'm updating account. So I want when I successfully updated my account, then only the child records should be updated. So click done. Object is account, and I need to fire all the accounts. Click done. So here now I'm gonna add a condition. Condition is check if annual revenue is modified, and label we can say annual revenue modified. And here we will check from the dollar record and from dollar record prior. So the dollar record and dollar record prior, the difference between these two variables are trigger.new and trigger.old, like we use in our triggers whenever we write code. So just like this, dollar record is treating as trigger.new and dollar record prior is treating as trigger.old. So we will check whether the new context of record dot annual revenue is getting changed or not. Is changed becomes true, it needs to be changed. And second condition, we will also check the dollar record annual revenue, that means the new context of annual revenue does not equals to the old value. So the old value we can check with the prior annual revenue, and that's it. So our condition is done. So whenever the annual revenue is modified, it will go to the left, and we will check more conditions. So the more condition we have is we need to check the revenues value. If it is less than 1000, then the priority is low. If it is greater than or if it is between 1000 to 2000, then the priority is medium. And if it's go beyond 2000, then the priority is high. So let's add a condition, uh, annual revenue conditions, and the first outcome is first label is annual revenue is less than 1000. So we can check the new dollar record dot annual revenue is less than 1000. Then second condition, we will check annual revenue is greater than 1000 or less than 2000. So here we will check if annual revenue, sorry, is greater than equals to 1000, and it should be less than 2000. So I'll just verify the condition. Yeah, it's greater than equals to 2000 and less than equals to 2000. less than or equals to 2000, and the final condition we have is annual revenue greater than 2000. So dollar record dot annual revenue is greater than 2000. So these are our three conditions. Now if you can see, this is less than 1000, this is in between 1000 or 2000, and this is more than 1000. So let's do the assignment. Assign case priority to low if it is less than 1000. So to do this, we need a new resource, and the resource of variable, let's say case priority, and the data type will be a text, and it should not allow multiple values, and that's it. Yeah, now we will assign here is low. So uh, whenever my annual revenue is less than 1000, I'm assigning the case priority to low. I'm just assigning. We have to do update a DML function, and that we will do later. So now the assignment for the annual revenue is in between 1000 or 2000. Assign case priority to medium. So we have already created our variable, so we'll just assign medium. And final, if the annual revenue is greater than 2000, then assign case priority to high. So case priority high. So now our assignment is done. So once the decision is complete, we need to update this record. So to update, we will gonna uh, find update case records. So so here are how to find records to update and set their values. So we will find records based on the ID. So we have a account. So we will find all the case records where account ID is the current record which are getting updated. So here I'm choosing this condition. Object is my case, and the case account ID should be my dollar record dot ID. I hope this is clear. And what field we need to update? We just need to update priority, and the priority will gonna update based on my case priority variable. That's it. Click on done. So our flow is ready. Click save. Uh, so it's after save update case priorities based on annual revenue. Click save. Click activate. Get back to the account record. So let's open an account. Test account. So in this account I have three cases, right? If you see, all the three cases priority are low, so I'm just going to update my annual revenue. Edit, and let's say I'm 50,000. So as per my condition, if the annual revenue is greater than 2000, so all the case priorities will becomes high. Click on save. See, now all my cases priorities are high. If I again update the annual revenue to, let's say, in between 1000 to 2000, let's say 1500, so I'm expecting all my cases to be on medium priority. See, all my cases has becomes medium. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.